This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the HS70 and forcing it into Bluetooth pairing. This clears transient connections and ensures a clean handshake. Once the headset is charged, press and hold the power and Bluetooth buttons 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. While it flashes, make sure the device you're pairing from has Bluetooth on and any competing devices are disconnected. This prevents the headset from auto-connecting elsewhere and simplifies discovery, so pairing succeeds immediately. Next, you complete the actual link from your computer or phone. Open Bluetooth settings and choose Add or Pair a new device. This initiates a scan. When Corsair HS70 appears, select it and confirm any prompts. That step establishes the Bluetooth profile and audio routes. On Windows, use settings right arrow devices, right arrow Bluetooth, and other devices. On Mac OS, use system preferences, right arrow Bluetooth. Once connected, wait for the system to configure both headset audio and microphone profile. Finish by assigning the HS70 as your default playback and recording device so apps use it automatically. This avoids one-off audio routing problems. Then open Corsair ICUE to check firmware and tweak EQ or mic gain. Updates often fix Bluetooth quirks. If pairing fails, try a headset reset. Hold power for about 15 seconds to clear stored pairings, then repeat the pairing flow. This resolves most stubborn pairing conflicts and restores predictable behavior when multiple devices competed for the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.